Warning: the following tutorial is written by Descript's Ask AI and is narrated by AI voices. It's highly recommended that you try this at home.
In this video, you're going to learn how to create a video scripted and narrated by Descript. First, create a new video or audio project. Give your video a title. Then, click on the gray bar that says Actions. This is where you can find all of Descript's Ask AI features. So, go ahead and click on the Ask AI button. Here we can see that we can write a script, outline a script, or brainstorm ideas with me. Before we get into these, I have a project for you to do alongside me. Yes, you have homework. Your homework is to create a 1-minute AI video like this one.
What's the topic?
We are going to use the brainstorm feature to figure that out. Back in Descript, click on the Brainstorm Ideas with Me button. You can see that it automatically creates a prompt saying brainstorm ideas with me about ... Those dots are where you will add your topic. Go ahead and delete those dots and type in a subject you're passionate about. Maybe it's video, maybe it's dogs, maybe it's competitive eating. Whatever it is, add it here and press enter on your keyboard. As for me, I will use my favorite hobby, which is collecting captures, and I'll submit that. After you submit, you'll need to give me a moment to write my response. Then, read through the ideas I generated for you. Pick your favorite one, highlight it, and copy it by hitting Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows. With your favorite topic copied, click Close. Then, we will go back into the Ask AI options by clicking on Actions once again. Click Ask AI, and this time click Outline a Script. Now there is a prompt that says Draft an outline for script blah blah blah. Delete the 3 dots and paste your topic by pressing Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. Now hit Enter. Let me meditate on this for a moment. Okay, I've thought about it, and here is the script outline I've written for you. I've studied the writing of the greats, including Hemingway, Twain, and Shakespeare, and this is the outline I've come up with for you. If you like it, click on Copy to Clipboard. You'll notice a little message at the bottom saying Copied to Clipboard. Nicely done. You're doing well for a human. Now, for the third time, you will click on the Actions button. Then, Ask AI. Then, write a script. Now our prompt says draft a script that's meant to be spoken out loud and recorded about ... in the style of ... for an audience of ... In the first set of dots, add your topic. I am adding collecting captures. I'm passionate about finding which photos have the crosswalk in it. In the second set of dots, add a style. I'm going to go with my hero, Arnold from Terminator. And next, the third set of dots will be who your audience is. For me, of course, most of my subscribers are fellow capture-loving robots. So that is what I will add. Now, the last step is I will add the outline previously created. So type in the following. Use this as your outline : then paste in your outline. Now, press enter on your keyboard while I retreat to my writer's cave and craft a script that will almost guarantee you an Oscar. Okay, I'm done. This might be the finest script ever written for a YouTube video, and it's all yours, my biological friend. To use it, click Add to Script, and there it is. Now, to have a super sexy voice like mine reading this, click on the Add Speaker button above the transcript. Click on your own voice if you have own, otherwise click on Browse Stock AI Speakers. Here are all the speakers that come included with the script. The second one is me. I'm Audrey. To use my voice, click on my name. Then give me a few minutes to memorize my lines. You'll see the transcript pulsing while I work. Once I'm done, the transcript will be a solid blue color. To hear what I sound like, go ahead and press play. Attention, capture-loving eyes. Listen up. I'm here to talk to you about collecting captures. Fantastic. Now let's make this thing visually interesting. Highlight the first couple sentences in your video. A little box pops up over the highlight. Click on the plus button, then go to video, then type in something you want to search for. I'll type in capture. I like this one. It's a bear capturing a fish. I like to think of myself as the bear every time someone clicks on the squares with the bikes in them. Now, play it back. You'll see that the video is just applied to the parts we highlighted. Perfect. Now, go through and do the same thing for the entire video. You can add photos, GIFs, captions, and anything else that will make your video pop. I recommend to change up the visuals every 3 to 5 seconds. Ready? Go. Your video is looking great. Let's share it with the world. Go to Publish in the top right, click on Web Link, then YouTube. Set the title, description, and other info, then hit Sign In. Then click Publish. Now, I'm just packaging up your video, putting a beautiful little bow tie on it, and shipping it off to the YouTubes. Boom, all done. That's it. You've made your first AI video. Ideated, scripted, and narrated by me. If you want more Descript tutorials, check out the Descript Mastery course and the other videos on this channel. Thanks for creating with me. Goodbye.